थातोड धारबांदोडा राष्ट्रीय महामार्गार मिनी बस परतली. रस्त्यार बशिल्ल्या गोरवांक चुकोवपाच्या बोवाळान हो अपघात घडलो अशी माहिती मेळटा. 10 काय चड प्रवासी ह्या अपघातांत जखमी जाल्यात. बंगळुरूच्यान ही फामील गोंयांत भोंवपाक आयिल्ली. परतेच्या वाटेर आसतना हो अपघात घडलो. RDXGOA खातीर धारबांदोडेच्यान विदिता प्रभू.
Hello. 19. Driver insurance. And one cow came that drove. How many cows are that is the road only?
Okay.
Up and that road.
So he suddenly applied the brake or what?
That is cow came that is the probe.
So how many are injured now?
More than 10.
Where the bus was going?
That is the water that is injured.
Where the bus was going? From where to where?
That is want to Goa. From Bangalore to Goa.
Bangalore to Goa.
After that is the finishing, that is the Goa trip. We are coming back to Bangalore.
Okay. Now a treatment has been given by PHC here. Treatment has been given to you?
Yeah, we got it. We are shifting to Apollo.
Apollo Hospital. Your good name?
Some doctors are.
Your good name?
My name is Tommy.
Jami.
All are belongs to one family.
That is neighbors and family. That is one family. That is around. That is 15 are there. That is.
All belongs to Bangalore.